Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a conflict and wished you had the skills to resolve it peacefully? In this video, we'll explore proven strategies for conflict resolution that can help you navigate challenging situations with maturity and understanding. Get ready to become a master of peaceful solutions. In this video, we'll dive into the world of conflict resolution and explore strategies that can help you handle conflicts in a calm and respectful manner. Let's embark on this journey together and equip ourselves with the tools needed for peaceful resolutions. Conflicts are a part of life, and learning how to resolve them is an important skill. By practicing these strategies, you can approach conflicts with confidence and work towards finding mutually beneficial solutions. Our first strategy is called taking a break. When conflicts arise, emotions can run high, making it difficult to think clearly. Taking a break allows everyone involved to step back and calm down before attempting to address the issue. By giving yourself time to cool off, you can approach the conflict with a clearer mindset. The second strategy is open communication. Once everyone involved has had a chance to calm down, it's important to engage in open and honest communication. Listening actively to each other's perspectives and expressing your own thoughts and feelings can lead to a deeper understanding of the issue at hand. By fostering a respectful and non-judgmental environment, you can create space for meaningful dialogue. Our third strategy is collaborative problem solving. Conflict resolution is not about winners and losers, but finding solutions that work for everyone involved. By working together, you can brainstorm ideas and explore compromises that address the needs and concerns of all parties. This approach encourages cooperation and fosters a sense of shared responsibility in finding resolutions. The fourth strategy is apologizing and forgiving. Acknowledging one's mistakes and offering a sincere apology can go a long way in resolving conflicts. Similarly, practicing forgiveness allows for healing and the rebuilding of trust. By showing empathy and understanding, you can create an environment that promotes forgiveness and strengthens relationships. Congratulations! You've just learned 4 effective strategies for conflict resolution: taking a break, open communication, collaborative problem solving, and apologizing and forgiving. By applying these strategies, you'll become adept at navigating conflicts and fostering peaceful resolutions. Do you want to improve on this subject more? Check out the recommended book in the description. Remember, conflicts can be opportunities for growth and understanding. Practice these strategies in your daily life and watch as your ability to resolve conflicts strengthens. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and empowering videos. Together, let's become skilled in conflict resolution and create a world filled with understanding and peace.